Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a little bit about how you can use a human swap and change ethnicity function. So a lot of times we have requests where we just want to swap the faces or we want to change the model completely, and this is exactly the function that's going to help us. As soon as you enter the workflow mode, you'll be able to see the human swap and change ethnicity function on the left. There are three ways in which you can provide your inputs to kind of swap the base model. One is you provide your input image, then you can upload a face or an asset that you would want the model to be replaced with. You could also type in text to be able to see different outputs, or you could select from one of the generic faces that we have here. So let's say I want to be able to swap this model to this model. This is what I want to swap him to. And this is what my model looks like now. And we go ahead and run. So this is from a model that I had uploaded. After this, I will show you what it would look like when we um, type in to change the ethnicity or change certain aspects of the model's face. That's the way we can control it by text. And the third one is one of the generic models that we have uploaded. Again, that's an image based input. So as you see, yeah, you should have the output in anytime soon. There you go. So that's the original model, and that's the swap face. It's completely transformed and still given us like that realistic look, maintain the hair, and kind of blended that in very well. Now, the same model, if I want to change around something, let's say I want to change his ethnicity completely of this model. I want to make it a Senegalese dark African model and run. So here I am trying to change the ethnicity, make him look like of African origin, and kind of maintain the whole pose, not kind of play around with any of the details on the clothing, uh, but completely transforming the actual look. So here now we have him transformed from this kind of light tone guy to a little dark tone guy, and that is what is happening with the prompt. And the third one I'll show you with one of the pre-existing faces that we would have, which I've just selected here, this guy. And let's swap that around as well. So this could work very well even at bulk for all your SKUs when you want to swap the same model across like 100 images. It could do that as well. So every function that you have, you could run individually or in a combination in bulk, depending upon how you can intelligently lay out your workflows. Yeah. So here we have this model also transformed from this to this. So the idea also is to kind of select a face that would be relatively closer to the model's original tone, because that's what it is doing. If I try to get a very dark person onto this, it would not really look good. We can try and run that as well. So we don't do that, and we rather kind of get faces and skin tones that are closer to the input model, and that way we can have a much more natural and seamless output across all of these. Yeah, so there you go. Like we can see, like his skin definitely is much darker relatively on the face. It is trying to sink it in, but it doesn't always work that way. So we get something that's closer, and that's the idea. Thank you.